Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by verifying whether your RPM gauge needs a mechanical drive or an electrical sender. This determines parts and wiring. Once you have the gauge, sender, connectors, and mounting hardware, disconnect the battery to avoid shorts and position the gauge roughly where it will mount. You route the harness from the engine bay toward the dash, following existing grommets. Make sure to avoid hot exhaust areas. Finally, test fit the sender at the engine so you know where the cable or wire must reach. Now mount the sender into the correct engine port and torque to spec. If instructions call for thread sealant, apply it sparingly to avoid contamination. Once the sender is secure, run the signal wire through the firewall using an existing grommet or a new one. Route the ground to a clean chassis point and attach tightly. Use a protective loom and zip ties to keep the harness tidy. Make sure the wire stays at least 1/2 inch from exhaust and moving components so the signal remains clean. You mount the gauge in the dash, connect accessory or switch 12V for power, attach illumination to dash lighting, and plug the sender signal and ground. Make sure connectors are snug. Once wired, restore battery power and follow the manufacturer calibration routine. Verify the needle behavior at idle and during a controlled rev. Make adjustments as needed. If readings are wrong, check grounds first, then continuity of the signal wire. And finally, confirm you use the correct sender type. Swapping to a compatible sender usually fixes mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.